SD card in. And the memory card still doesn't work. So
You got it there.
just do video. I'll get him like a video on the wall.
Okay, slide that on there. Alright, you ready? Okay. Alright, so agree that there's no flipping, okay? So you can jump any way you want, you just can't go upside down. Does that make sense? You can go sideways, backwards, any other way, just not upside down, okay? Alright, hop on up. Alright, one here, right here, okay? Alright, let's show you this thing right here, okay? Okay? Alright, try and jump straight up and then catch it on the way down. Oh, careful. Alright, Ryan, stop. Got four more. Alright, try to go backwards. You can go sideways too. Alright, Brian, one more jump. If you do want me to count. Go ahead, go ahead, try again.